Bitpanda tax is made easy with Blockpit. To get started, log into your Bitpanda account and head over to your profile on the top right. Choose History to deal with your taxes. Here you can see your transaction history and the Export button. Click the button and choose Tax Report by Blockpit. With a click on Try out Blockpit, you will be redirected to the landing page where you can register your Blockpit account. In case you already registered your account using this method in the past, you can skip this step. Check your email account and click the button in the confirmation email in order to activate your account. Awesome! Now we can get started importing your Bitpanda transactions. For this, we switch back to Bitpanda. Once again, head over to the profile picture and choose API key this time. For the application name, we choose Blockpit. Make sure the 3 tick boxes are checked. Click on Generate New API Key. Before we receive the key, we have to confirm it in the email we received. Now your API key should be displayed. It will only be shown once, so make sure to copy it to a safe place. We will need it in the next step. Back to the Blockpit application. Click on Add Depot and choose Bitpanda in the list of exchanges. Insert the API key into the according field and click on Create. Now the import has started. Wait until your account balances and transactions have been imported. To calculate your tax report, head over to Reports and choose the desired tax year. Click on Calculate Report to start the calculating process. To receive your discount exclusive to Bitpanda users, click on Buy License. If you followed all of the steps in this video, your discount of 25% will be already applied. Now all that's left to do is to choose the license that's just right for you. With a click on Continue, you will be forwarded to the checkout process. Now you can go ahead and download the previously calculated tax report. Congratulations!